Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a website from scratch with Claude. So whether you're creating a personal portfolio, a business website, a landing page, a blog, or an online store, Claude AI can help you plan, write, and generate much of the code you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use Claude AI to design, build, and improve, as well as launch your own website, even if you have little to no coding experience. All right, so first things first, what is Claude AI? Before we start building, we have to quickly talk about what Claude is and how it functions. So, Claude AI is an AI assistant that can help generate code, create website layouts, write content, troubleshoot errors, and help with website development tasks. So, instead of writing everything manually, you can use Claude to accelerate your entire process. So, Claude helps you with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, website content, landing pages, and debugging. So you have to decide what type of website you want to build before you use Claude. So before asking Claude to generate anything for you, decide what type of website you're building. So it could either be a personal portfolio, a business website, an agency website, a blog, a restaurant, or an e-commerce store. Sometimes you could even build a software as a service landing page, just the landing page. All right, so the more specific you are, the better results you'll get. So you could simply ask Claude to create a modern website for a digital marketing agency with a homepage, services section, as well as testimonials and contact form. How do you go about prompting Claude in that manner? A prompt is simply an instruction you give to the AI and it follows it to the letter. So you could just simply copy that out and write it. So this is what it looks like when you've written out your prompt. And then I'm going to be spicing things up a bit by changing this from a digital marketing agency to maybe a clinic. So we can just say for a clinic with a homepage, a services section, testimonials, and a contact form. All right, so after that, you would then need to generate a website plan. So we can create the structure of your website. You could ask Claude after sending this in, just send it and it will start working on your front end design. So we could ask Claude to create the structure of your website. So you could create a site map and page structure for your digital marketing agency if you're going with that. But in this case, we're going with a clinic. So after this, all we need to do is just simply write out that line of code and just simply type it into this empty space here. Once you have, I'm just going to go ahead and edit out these parts to say clinic. And then once it's done here, Claude is still working in the background, creating our website for us. But basically, you see the website on the preview. So you get to see the website as a preview here on this other part of your screen. All right, so Claude can suggest pages, navigation menus, as well as sections and content layouts. So you could have a home page, an about, a services page, a portfolio, testimonial page, and a contact page. And then after that, you could just simply create the website design. So ask Claude to design the layout of your website. You could either design a modern homepage with a hero section, or you design a modern homepage with a services section, a testimonials, a frequently asked section, and a contact form. Claude can provide layout recommendation and it can also create your section structures as well as organize them in a manner in which they look attractive to the people who are visiting your website because attraction is what keeps your clientele on that website. So your website has to have a certain look, it needs to fulfill a certain action or request, which is, providing services and also the inclusion of a contact form so they can simply contact your business later on if they choose to deal with you. All right. So after you've created both the website design and you generated a website plan, you could also ask it to generate the website code. So you could ask it to generate a responsive HTML, CSS, and JavaScript website for a digital marketing agency. I could simply send this in, but that would cancel out what I'm doing here currently. So I could just simply end this session and show you what that looks like, or just simply type it out. So we're going to be asking Claude to simply create us a responsive HTML and CSS website for the clinic. So we could just have it create all of this for the clinic and then just hit on enter and it's going to begin working in the background just like this. And Claude generates you a complete website code that you can copy into your website editor. So if you have an editor like VS Code or any other platform, you could just copy out that code and paste it there. Just copy the generated code into your preferred editor. That should fix up everything. And then after that, just build the site step by step. So for larger projects, it's often better to build on a section at a time. So start by building one section. It could be a responsive hero section, a pricing, a testimonial, a contact form. This approach gives you much more control over your final results. Like here, you can see this is what it looks like. We have created our website here. This is what it looks, the services page, the about, the patients. But we're going to have to create each and every one of these pages individually using the conversation box here, the prompt box here with Claude. Just simply tell it to design a services page, an about page, or a patients page for your for your website. And you could also change the text that is included here. So it says Clarewell, so you could just simply copy this out and change it. If you scroll through, you can see how responsive your website is. It also has some moving elements, and it's just really cool. It tends to stand out. All right, so that's how you can go about building the website. You could make sure your website is mobile friendly. So you could also prompt it again by telling it to make it fully responsive for mobile. That's just the instruction you need to give it. So make this fully responsive for mobile and then hit enter. So it's going to make it fully responsive for your mobile device. And then you could debug and improve your website. So let's say you copy out that code we asked it to generate earlier and you're getting errors on VS Code. You could copy that error, bring it back to Claude, and Claude would fix it for you. And then last thing is just to publish it. So if everything is working fine, it's time to publish your website. So you could use some hosting options like GitHub, Netflix, and Versal or traditional website hosting providers. Upload your files, connect the domain, and make your website live and start helping out people or making some money from it. And that's how you can use Claude to build a website in 2026, from planning and designing to coding and publishing. Claude can help speed up nearly every part of the website creation process. And that's it, guys. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.